Well, one of I believe that makes us different from any of our competitors is that we actually care about the quality of repairs that we do.
We're here for our customers.
We're going to be truthful with you and honest, and we're going to be timely about the repairs so that you get in and out and get things corrected the first time.
We want to make sure that everyone that walks through our door feels like they're a member of our family.
I'm Jimmy R. Mitchell. I own the Mr. Transmission on Gallatin Road in Madison, Tennessee. I've been a franchise owner for 37 years.
My name is Laura Rotifer, and my husband Tim and I have owned Mr. Transmission Milex. It's a co-brand, and we're in Johnson City, Tennessee.
John Olson, Multistate Transmission, Fort Worth, Texas. Been in business 38 years.
My name's Steve Sargent. I'm from Cary, North Carolina. I own a Milex Complete Auto Care Mr. Transmission franchise.
We want to be their #1 spot anytime there's an automotive need.
Treat them like we would want to be treated.
Just glad that they came in, feel welcome.
We have speed of service.
And we go the extra step.
Our goal is to keep you road ready.
We keep you road ready.
We keep you road ready.
We're in your community.
We are a family.